All right, I wanted to make a little short video on the can cooker I just got in. This is the box. I'm gonna open it up and get right to it. I'm trying to do this with one hand, so. That's the inside the box. That in there. Here's the lid. Something like stainless almost, but it's not. The lid. It's a cookbook in there. Owner's manual, I mean. Same. Just telling you a bunch of info on you know how it's built and stuff. Riveted heavy-duty handles, premium high-temperature silicone gaskets, safety clamps, vented lid, wide mouth design, companion 1.5 feet up to 6. And then they got some other pages in here, look like with different recipes and stuff. That's the back of it. This ain't the original can cooker. The original can cooker is bigger than this. But this is a smaller one. It's good enough for me. Oh, they got a pouch in here too, like a carrying case. Seth's can cooker. Seth McQuinn's can cooker. Cater to your crowd. Yeah, this is nice. So this week I'll try to cook. Let me see if something else is in here. Nope, that's it. So that's everything that's in the box. You got the pot, the lid, a small recipe, an owner's manual book, and a carrying case. Top. There's the little vent system right here. And this ain't the original can cooker. This one is called the can cooker. Let's see. Oh, it's called the Can Cooker Companion 1.5. It's probably half the size of the original can cooker. The original one is taller, maybe a little wider. But there you have it. My dog is out there too. Jake.